The next knot I'm going to be making is by joining braid on braid. Now we can use the double grinner, the grinner on the grinner, tighten it, pull it tight, no problem. I've actually learned to make this double blood knot, which is a knot that Danny Fairbrass from Team Corda started making quite a few years ago when they were spomming or spotting or whatever the case might be. And I've realized over all the years in the Protea team, when you spom out for an entire day, you end up with the knot undoing itself when you use the grinner on the grinner. And I started using this, and it is immensely strong. I can cast all day long, I can spom all day long, and the leader knot just keeps on lasting. So basically I overlap the two pieces. This part comes from the main line and the leader is on the spool. So what I would do, I would create a big loop like that, and I would fold it, and then I would push the spool through once, fold it again, push the spool through again. Oops, I should have just made a bigger loop this time. And I do this 5 times. That's twice, 3 times. Just push it through. The 4th time. And you can do this with mono as well. And a 5th time. My spool is running away from me. There we go. Just pull the line through. And you will notice now, when I tighten this, you just grab a small piece. All I now do, I make sure that all the loops are the same in size, and I just work them down ever so gently, and you'll see how nicely they intertwine. And if I pull it very, very tight, just look how neat that knot is. Very small, and all the strands are intertwined. So just take my scissor, cut it off nice and clean there. And this side, use my tag end. Cut it off as close as I can, and I can really pull on this knot as hard as I like. Again, it is a beautiful, beautiful knot, but it is immensely strong. This is one of my all-time favorites, and I do that with mono versus braid, and I really can pull this as hard as I like, and the knot just keeps on lasting. This is really, really nice.